Hello, dear. You're welcome to Design Slider Tech. I'm going to show you two methods to reset or format your Windows 11 PC. If one method doesn't work for you, no stress. The second one most likely will. So maybe your Windows 11 is acting up or running slow, or you want to sell it, give it to someone else, or maybe you just want a fresh start. Whatever the reason, this video is all you need. And don't worry, choose method 1 if you can get into your PC or you can log into the computer. Choose method 2 if you cannot get into your computer or your PC will not even boot. First, open your Windows search bar and type Settings. Open up the Settings app. Or, the quicker way, right-click on your Start button, and from the Start menu, select Settings. Whatever works for you, just get into Settings. Now that we're in Settings, click on the System tab, then scroll down a bit and find Recovery. Under Recovery Options, you'll see a button that says Reset this PC. Yep, that's the one. Go ahead and click on it. Now here's the big decision. Keep My Files. This keeps your personal files but removes apps and settings. Remove everything. This option wipes it all. Your files, apps, settings, and everything else will be removed. It's like giving your PC a fresh, clean start. Just make sure you've backed up any important files if you are choosing Remove Everything. For this video, we're going with Remove Everything. Next up, you'll need to choose how to reinstall Windows. The cloud download is great if your system files are corrupted or your Windows system has missing files. This will download a fresh copy of Windows from Microsoft's servers, but you'll need at least 4 GB plus of data, and yeah, you'll also need a stable internet connection. The local reinstall is to reinstall Windows from the existing files already on your PC. As long as your Windows files are good, this is quicker to reinstall, and it does not use data. I'm going with local reinstall. It works just fine in most cases. On the next screen, you'll see a summary of what's about to happen with an option to change settings. No need to touch that unless you want to change your previous choice. Click Next, and then Reset to begin the process. Oh, one important thing. Make sure your PC is plugged into a power source. If your battery is low or it's not charging, Windows will not let you start the reset process. Once you hit the Reset button, your PC will begin preparing for the process. You'll see a loading percentage on the screen as it gets everything ready. After that's done, your system will automatically restart. It may reboot a couple of times. Don't worry, that's totally normal. During this, you'll notice a progress bar showing how far along the reset is. The whole thing could take a few minutes or even a couple of hours, depending on your device capacity and the options you picked earlier. When the reset is complete, your computer will take you straight to the Windows 11 setup screen, just like when you got a brand new device. And when you get to the point where Microsoft wants to forcefully take your email and take control of your PC, in case you don't want to tie your system to a Microsoft account, see my videos on how to skip or bypass login into a Microsoft account during Windows setup. Links are in the description and in the pinned comment. So you've successfully done a full reset and have a clean installation of Windows 11. If for some reason you can't get into your system, maybe your computer will not start properly, or the settings method doesn't work, don't worry. Try this. So possibly your computer will automatically redirect you to Windows 11 UEFI or the advanced repair options. It is basically a blue screen with advanced options. You can also manually get here from the login screen and click the power icon. Now hold down the Shift key on your keyboard, and while holding it, click Restart. Your PC will reboot into a blue screen with advanced options. Select Troubleshoot and then choose Reset this PC. You'll get the same options we got earlier. Choose between Keep My Files if you haven't backed up and need to save personal data, and Remove Everything. But in this case, we're doing Remove Everything, which is recommended for a full clean install. Now select your reinstall method. The cloud download will download a fresh copy from Microsoft. It requires internet and it takes more time. The local reinstall uses Windows files on your PC. It is faster and doesn't need the internet. If asked whether it's a workplace or a school device, select No, unless it actually is. Then decide between just Remove My Files. This is faster and good for personal use. Fully clean the drive. This one is slower but safer if you are giving the PC away or you're selling the device. Review the summary, then click Reset to begin. Your PC will restart several times. Then you'll see the progress screen again, which shows you in the form of a percentage of how far the reset process has come along. Once your reset is complete, you'll be brought over to the Windows 11 Setup Manager. Just follow the prompts as you would do when setting up a brand new PC. Remember, you can skip or bypass the Microsoft login, so you don't tie the device to Microsoft Control, except that is your preferred choice. Links to the guides are in the video description and in the pinned comment. And that's it. You've learned how to reset Windows 11 the right way. Now, will you do me a favor? Smash the like button and subscribe to this channel so you don't miss other tech tips and fixes. Which of the methods would you prefer? Let's discuss in the comments.